Uptown Swing, solo jazz, level improv. I'm Maddie. Today we talked a lot about structure and how the structure of the music can inform our solo dancing. We talked about one specific type of structure called AABA and how 4/8 can make up a chunk, and those chunks all together can make up the AABA structure and the whole song. Mostly, we used it in the context of pick 4 things to do and then pass it along. We also talked about how the musical idea wraps up and how we can use a break to signify that in our dancing. We learned 2 breaks. Our first one, classic TOBA break, a 5, 6, 7, 8, boo, ba, 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 doo, ah, ah. And then we also did the tranky do break, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, boo, ba, hey, ah. We took those, we walked around, we hit the breaks, then we had you guys make your own little sections of 4s. We performed them for each other, we performed them in the big group. Everybody went in and had a jam. It was a great time. Make sure you bring it onto the dance floor. That was it.